Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to skyrocket your website's success and gain valuable insights into your audience, you've come to the right place. We'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager, the ultimate dream team for tracking your website's performance. Today, we'll show you the ultimate secret to supercharging your data analytics. It's time to set up Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. Step 1. To start setting up your GA4 tag, navigate to your desired account and container within GTM and select Add a new tag. Step 2. Now, click on Tag Configuration to see the options for various types of tags. Select Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Step 3. You'll see a field to enter your measurement ID. Find your measurement ID in your account and paste it here. Once you've saved this tag, you'll be able to select it from a drop-down in the future when setting up GA4 events instead of having to manually hunt for the ID each time. Step 4. Click within the Triggering box to choose where you want the tag to fire on your site. In most cases, you'll likely want GA4 to fire on all pages. Step 5. Save your tag and publish your GTM container to push it live. You should now see GA4 firing on your site. No coding skills? No problem. Our simplified approach means anyone can set up Google Analytics 4 with ease. We'll guide you through every click, ensuring you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. Plus, we've got insider tips to avoid common pitfalls along the way. Wait, there's more. As a special treat, we're sharing bonus tips on leveraging Google Analytics 4 to boost your marketing game. Unleash the full potential of your data and craft targeted campaigns that convert like crazy. Don't miss out on this game-changing knowledge. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's revolutionize your data analytics together. Remember, success starts with smart data. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.